Hey everyone, if Microsoft Print to PDF is not working or missing on your Windows 11 PC, here's how to fix it step by step. Go to the search bar and type Add a printer or scanner. Click on it to open the settings. Click on Add device and wait for it to scan. When it says the printer that I want isn't listed, click on Add manually. Choose the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click Next. For the port, select File, Print to File. Click Next. Under the manufacturer list, choose Microsoft. Then click on Windows Update and wait for the list to refresh. After the update, scroll back down and select Microsoft Print to PDF under the printers list. Make sure use the driver that is currently installed is selected. Click Next, then Next again, and finally click Finish. Done. Microsoft Print to PDF should now be reinstalled and ready to use.